In this video, we're going to see the perspective prompting technique. And this technique is similar to the role prompting, but in this case, we're going to use different perspectives to solve an issue. So we have an issue that we want ChatGPT to solve, and we're going to give ChatGPT different perspectives to get different solutions and to find on our own the best way to solve our issue. And well, it can be one perspective, two perspectives, or more. The more perspective we have, the more chances we have to get the best solution to our problem. So let's go to ChatGPT to see an example. Alright, let's imagine that we have an issue which is related to employees that are complaining about the lack of available parking spaces on the office building. So if we ask ChatGPT the following question, how to solve the lack of available parking spaces at the office building, ChatGPT is going to provide a generic answer. Alright, we got different suggestions to our problem, short-term solutions and long-term solutions, and they are not bad, but now we're going to customize this using the perspective prompting technique. So here's the prompt that we're going to use. First, I'm going to start by saying I'll give you an issue I have and you have to find a solution following a specific perspective that I'll also give you. And well, here's the issue. Employees are complaining about the lack of available parking spaces at the office building. And then I'm providing first one perspective, which is a building owner perspective, and this perspective is about increasing parking spaces. And then the second perspective, which is the employees perspective. And well, this is more related to the problems of the employees, which is finding parking stressful and having limited commuting options. Now, by providing these two perspectives, we're going to get solutions tailored to each perspective. So I'm going to press enter and we're going to see what ChatGPT answers. Alright, ChatGPT finished with the response, and now we see that we got suggestions that are related to each perspective. For example, about that building owner perspective, the answers are focused about the parking space. So for example, ChatGPT recommends space optimization, rent or lease, then time limited spaces, cost analysis, and so on. And for the employee's perspective, that is more related to finding parking stressful and limited commuting options, is suggesting remote work, then also carpool incentives, biking options, then open dialogue, stress reduction measures, and so on. And well, we could get answers for each perspective, and then we can find which is the best solution. And this is different from the first prompt, which is very basic, and we got also a generic response, which is more related to the lack of space. So we got only time allocation, valet service, parking fees, and so on. So as you can see, if we didn't provide the perspective number 2, the employee's perspective, we wouldn't get these suggestions. And that's the cool thing about the perspective prompting. The more perspective we give to ChatGPT, the more alternative solutions we get, and the more chances to find the best solution to our problem.